Okay, what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to add a product, edit an existing product, add a category, and then assign products to different categories. Okay, so what we're going to do is, this is the website. It's a Joomla website using VirtueMart as the shopping cart. So just go to your admin control panel, which is your website domain name /administrator. And log in. Try that one more time. Okay, so now to edit your products, we go to Components and then VirtueMart's down here. It's the third one from the bottom on this website. All right, now there's a couple ways to get there. This is your main control panel, but with you bouncing around, the easiest way is to just get used to the left-hand side here. So look at your products, just click the Products tab, and everything we're going to be doing right now is done underneath this tab, both with categories and with adding products. Okay, so I'm going to click List Products, and that will display a list of all the products we have right now. So let's say, for example, or let's go ahead and add a product. So what you do is we're going to click New. All right. Now this is where we put all the information in for the product. Okay. So the SKU has to be a unique name. The clients aren't necessarily going to see it, but you'll see it coming in. So if this is a catalog number or a specific product number you have assigned, based on color or whatever the case may be, this needs to be different for everything. So SKU, and let's pretend we're adding scratch pads to this site. Here, let me do this. Do it all lowercase on this one. Scratch pads, score 1. Okay, name, we're going to call this Scratch Pad 1. And then, so for categories, we only have one category available right now. It's cat trees. Okay, I'll show you how to add another category called scratch pads here in a minute, but for right now we'll assign it to this one, and all you do is you just click it to highlight whatever category you want it to be in. The price, we'll call it $49. Okay, and then for the short description is going to display in one specific location, and I'll show you that in a minute, but you can't add pictures or text or anything here other than text. So we'll just call this is a cat scratch pad. Okay, and then down here, now this is where the main description is going to be. You can add pictures, you can edit the graphics, you can adjust things, whatever you want in here using the editor. Okay, so I'm just going to type in, this is just a regular cat scratch pad, but it does come in 3 colors. Okay. All right, so now periodically through here, you want to click Apply. And what that'll do is that'll save your progress as you move along. If you do a bunch of stuff without clicking Apply somewhere along the way, if you get timed out, you have to completely start over from wherever your last save was. Okay, so just get in the habit of clicking Apply whenever you think about it. All right. So that's the main stuff for the description, the price, all that stuff for this product. Now what we need to do is, I said down here in the description that we're going to do it in 3 colors. All right, so to do that, we go to the Product Status tab. Okay, and then those colors are going to be an attribute, so you edit them here on the attribute list. Okay, so for the title, we're going to type, please select a color. All right, and then the property are going to be the individual colors, so we'll do red, white, and blue. Okay, now for example, if you want the white one to cost more, like let's say you're doing a bigger size, or if there's some sort of a customization, you do +10, and that will automatically tack on $10 to the price you set for the main item. If you want to subtract and put the blue ones on sale or whatever, you can do that as well. Okay. Now if you add too many, like we'll add a new property and we'll just call it gold. All right, and later on you come back and you're completely out of that or don't want to do that option anymore, you just click the X button and then go up and click apply. Okay? Now, when we do, so for product images, okay, so right now when we show you the image, let's go to cat trees. All right, so here's our display page of all the products we have. You can see right here, this is the product we're working on. So Scratchpad 1, the price is $49. All right, but there's no image available. So I'm going to add an image. And what you do is you just click the Browse button. Okay, and then we are going to go to a, we're going to go find that picture. And I'm just going to use this one from Odds and Extras. All right, so you find whatever picture you're going to use for this product, okay? Click open. Now make sure when it does this that you click on auto create thumbnail. It will more than likely automatically select it, but if it doesn't, you need to go ahead and do that, all right? Because then it'll automatically resize the big photo down to the small photo size. So again, we click apply. And when we click over to the tab, you'll see the image has been uploaded, okay? Now, when I reload this page, the thumbnail, this little small version of that image, is gonna reload, and it'll show the new image. Okay. So Scratchpad 1. There it is. Okay. So Scratchpad 1's right here. Okay. So you can see the image was added. Now, the short description that we edited, which is right here. This is a cat scratch pad. You can see displays right here underneath the title of the product. And then here's the big description. In the big description, you can use your editor. You can use this editor. You can add pictures. You can do anything you want here. You can change the size of the text by clicking here, and you can bump it up. Do whatever you want to do here. It's incredibly flexible. You can point over to other items, whatever it is you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to click save, and I'm going to get out of there. Okay, so that is our new product. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to assign this product to a new category. Okay, so to do that, we go down here again under our products tab. We go to add category. Okay, I'll click list categories, so you can see that we only have one category right now. So we can click new here, or we can click add category down here. It's going to take us to the same page. All right. So we're going to call this one Scratch Pads. All right. And then we'll just type in cat scratch pads. And then now we have an opportunity here to add an image. So we're going to do that. I'm going to add that same photo. So the process is the same. You want to make sure auto create thumbnail is clicked. We're going to go, find whatever image it is that you're looking for, and then click apply. Okay, so it says successfully added a new category. I'm going to go back to that product that I just added, okay, by clicking list products, and then Scratchpad 1. You can see right now, Cat Trees is selected and Scratch Pads has been added. So I'm just going to select Scratch Pads and click Save. All right. Now it's been updated. So let me pause the video for a second, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just had to add a new menu item real quick, and I'll cover that in another video. But anyway, so now what's happened is you can see here in the categories page, we've got two categories now. We've got cat trees, which is the page we were looking at earlier with everything else. All right. And then when I back up, we've also got scratch pads, which just has the one product in it. All right. So that's how that works. And then finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to go into this product, and I'm going to put a discount on it. So we'll go to Scratchpad 1. All right, and I've already got this set up. So discount type. All right, so we've got two different versions here. We can do a 20% discount, which is going to drop the price from $49 to $39.20. All right, if we click apply, when we look at the image, you can see it says instead of $39.20, or instead of $49, it says $39.20, and then it tells the customer how much they're saving. Okay. The other way to do that Now, the way you set this up is you go to discount type, okay? That is set up in your discount menu. So let's do this. Product discount list, okay? All right, so that's also under the products tab. All right, so we've got this one already set up. If we want to set up a new one, discount amount, we'll do 10, and we'll keep this as a percentage. You can start and stop a discount whenever you want. Okay, so we'll click Save. That's in there. So now we're going to go back to the product list, and I'm going to change that 20% discount to a 10% discount so you can see how that was done start to finish. Okay, so just go back to product list, take a look at the, or you're going to show up on the first page, the first tab, and then we're going to change the discount type from 20% to 10%. Okay, we click Apply. Now, when I reload this page, instead of $39.20, it's going to be, I think it was $44. All right, so $44.10. Okay, so that's how you update and add discounts and all that stuff. So I'm going to turn that back off and click Save. Now, finally, what I'm going to do is I need to delete both of these because this website doesn't actually have these products. So I'm going to go back to List Products. Okay, and I'm going to find my product that I want to get rid of, and the trash can right here is how you delete that. Okay, so I'm going to click Delete, click OK, and boom, it's gone. If I reload this page, it'll say no products here. All right, the category is currently empty. So now I'm going to delete the category. All right, and the process is the same. You go back to Category List, Scratch Pads is what we want to delete, click the trash can, confirm it. And then when we go back to browsing our products to our category page, you can see there's only one category now. Okay, so that is that.